the circle goes in the square hole.
The square, it goes in
The square goes in the circle hole. The circle goes in the square hole. Ooh, look at this, it's working.
The bowling pin goes in the square hole.
The square goes in the circle hole.
Oh, there's something blocking it.
The square goes in the square. Hey, Shiru, open up.
Yeah.
Say
Why?
Say
I want your square in my not-square hole.
wood sandwich. Here you go.
Oh, this angle. Oh, yeah, sandwich. Thank you. So
sandwich.
Yes. Let me feed your hole right here. This goes in your square.
Natural holes. You can't fill those
jam things that are not meant for her
natural
holes.
She's gonna get a
sandwich. Yeah, that is actually messed up. It's a different material, okay? It doesn't work that way. Nom nom.
She gets a splinter.
Ready up.
Soon after.
He's your favorite, yeah.
Hey, Bibo.
Yeah.
Wood sandwich? Open up.
Fill everyone's holes. This entire 2 hours.
I'm just making food and feeding people, okay? I'm just taking care of their health. Are you jealous? You also want a wood sandwich? Open up then. Open wide. Take it. Open up. Wood sandwich coming. Ooh, it's an airplane. Woo! Airplane. Woo!
I don't want your disgusting wood sandwich. Open your wood. Open up. Eat my.
She already had many.
What?
I don't want it.
Eat it. It's good for your health. Eat it.
I don't want your.
It's good for your health. It's a sandwich. It's a sandwich. You keep cutting out, so I take it as consent. Here you go.
No comment.
She keeps cutting out. I can't hear her. Okay, let's play.
Okay. Ready up.
Chill? Yeah, I'm chill. Don't worry. Chill. I'm so chill. Brother.
You're going to jail for this.
Oh, I'm chill. Don't worry.